A warm welcome, guys, after a very long time. Hope everyone is doing good. Due to the time constraint, I could not make analysis video this many days. So hopefully in coming days, I'm going to make a regular analysis video, or else I will plan to make analysis video on Saturday for the whole week. So let's see what happened today. Market was consolidating only where it opened. It has closed almost there, Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's get into the big players data. Let's check open interest analysis will follow by FII. In options input, they were holding 2.51 lakhs of put buying contract. They have increased the put buying today by 1.83 lakhs. So they have 4.34 lakhs of put buying. And in call, they were holding 2.13 lakhs of call buying contract. Today they have added 35,000 contracts. So they have 2.49 lakhs of call buying. So this is a naked buying. In this, we can see they have a huge put buying and less call buying. It means they are negative in options buying, whereas FII call short they have 10 lakhs and put short they have 7 lakh. It means still they are negative in selling side as well too. So they have hedged their position. We will consider this in options on a negative side. And in future index, they have 43% long, 57% short, and stock future percentage 47% long, 53% short. And in cash market, we are seeing on a regular basis they are selling, so they sold for 495 crores. So CFI view is negative only. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 3.47 lakhs of put writing contract. Today they have added 2.32 lakhs of put writing, so they have 5.79 lakhs of put writing. And in call they were holding 2.07 lakhs of call writing contract. They have unwinded 96,000 contract today, so they have 1.10 lakhs of call writing contract. Huge bullish they are because they have good number of put writing now. And in future index 57% long, 43% short. Stock future percentage 87% long, 13% short. And in cash market they sold for 385 crores. So see, client don't have any view, but they are super bullish in options. Promoters input, they were holding 19,000 of put writing contract, so they have unwinded most of the contract in put writing and made a fresh put buying of 28,000 contract. And in call they were holding 6,000 of call writing contract. They have added 1.32 lakhs of call writing, so they have 1.38 lakhs of call writing contract. So they have holding a negative bearish positions in options. In future index 45% long, 55% short. And in stock future percentage, 72% long, 28% short, and in cash market they have purchased for 725 crores. So promoter, we can say they have held their positions and going long in cash market, but still they are on a negative side only. DI have purchased for 533 crores, so the cash flow was 21 crores negative value. Let's check the put call ratio. Nifty for this week they are at 0.76 and Bank Nifty is at 0.82. Neutral, both Nifty and Bank Nifty for this week, and for month end Nifty is at 1 and Bank Nifty is at 0.87. So Nifty is positive for the month end. Bank Nifty still needs some strength. Now let's check the change in OI. Nifty for coming week expiry. Huge number of call writing we can see at 19,400, and put writing we have at 19,200 as well at 19,300. But a call writing positions are more. And in Bank Nifty, we can see people carry forwarding 44,000 short straddle, and main support resistance is at 44,000 only. Now let's check the price action. US is not yet opened. They will open after 7. Nasdaq in 1 day time frame, they have took a very good support of 13,200 levels, and we have seen a very good recovery. Hope this recovery continues. Whereas in Dow also we have seen some recovery candles have formed in 1 day time frame. So let's check today where they are going to close. And India VIX at 11.74, and see Nifty in 1 day time frame. It has made a morning star kind of a pattern and it has recovered, but still we can see a top to bottom trend line and it is taking a rejection at this level after breaking 19,400, and again we have a resistance of 19,500. After breaking both, we can see a very good rally until the market will trade in this range only, 19,300 to 19,500. Whereas in Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, we are seeing a same top to bottom trend line rejection levels, and it also has been stuck in this level of 44,000 to 43,600 levels. So as per the price action, both Nifty and Bank Nifty is wait and watch. Mark the algo points. Nifty support is at 19,370 for tomorrow, and first resistance is at 19,430. Bank Nifty first support is at 44,060, and first resistance is at 44,110. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data still is negative only. The market has to consolidate, or whenever it goes high, the seller will enter and there will be some sell off. So it's better to wait and watch, or else we can just think of sell on rise only. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.